In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Seafarer, the ship sim, on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser and we quickly need to search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So quickly go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time over there. We are going to search up the game Seafarer, the ship sim, select the game and open the game page. Now scroll a little bit down and as you can see this game on Steam is €24.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page and here we are going to search for the same game, Seafarer, the ship sim. So search for the game, then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Eventually you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so always make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Now the next step is open the game page by clicking on this game and then you will find out that we can already download this game for just €16.01 compared to the Steam price of €24.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!